Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Monopoly Go struggling. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go struggling, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.